Guys, Melton here, back in for another video. And for today's video guys, we're gonna be playing the game Puppy Playtime. At yep guys, lalagyan natin yung Puppy Playtime for the first time. Pero to be honest guys, ay may knowledge na ako about this game kasi napapanood ko siya sa YouTube nung hindi pa ako nag-umpisa. Kasi ngayon ko lang kasi lalaroin siya. Kaya yun. Pero may alam na ako sa game na to guys. Kaya siguro naman, iba naman siguro yung magiging mangyari kung lalaroin ko siya by my own and then kaysa pinapanood ko sa ibang YouTuber. So, yep. Start na natin. Di ba tayo start na natin? And let's go na guys. Play na tayo. So, eto tayo. Oh. Nakakatakot So, new game tayo guys. So, yun lang. Di tayo magsiskip. Okay. Di tayo magsiskip.
You are about to see the most incredible doll ever invented. Her name is Poppy.
Poppy.
And she is the first truly intelligent doll in the world.
Ay, what?
And talk to her, Poppy gives her answers.
Parang hindi ko na siya
She's the
natatandaan
first
guys.
doll actually able to have a conversation with a child.
Okay.
Hard to believe? Just watch.
Okay. Let me see.
Poppy Playtime!
Poppy's as lovable as a real girl, and she talks like one too.
Hi, my name is Poppy. I love you. Can you help me polish my shoes?
Why, of course, Poppy. Just like a real girl, Poppy always
Award
wants to
siguro
look
na
Perfect.
nice.
magsalita yung binili mong dal na si Poppy. Tapos sabihin niya na linisin mo yung sapatos.
Smells just like a poppy flower. Is there anything else you'd like to say, Poppy?
$5.99 lang pala
I'm a real girl.
Nah, you're not.
You.
Nah, you're not.
The time?
Playtime!
And if you've ever wanted to see how all of the nation's most magical toy factory on Earth, what are you waiting for? Come visit the factory. We can
Yo. What is that? Ano yun? So parang may parang may flower sa pader. Ay, ito na. Grabe naman. So, find the flower. So, we will find that flower na yun na place. Okay. Ano na. So, ayun yung natin. Maghanap tayo ng flower. So, ano na. Yo. Wow. So, isa akong detective. Wait lang yung sensitive. Grabe naman. Saan yung sensitive? So, isa akong and yeah. So, isa tayong detective guys. So, mag-iimbestiga tayo sa lugar na to. So, ito yung factory ni there's something factory of Puppy Playtime. So, ano to? At di ko alam ano yan. So, kailangan natin maghanap ng code. Okay. So, punta muna tayo dito. Wow. Okay. Naalala ko yung part na to. So, parang may kailangan tayong yung kamay na gumagano no. Para mabuksan yan. So, we go here. And ano kailangan natin gawin? Something ba dito? May something ba sa kabinet? Oh, may train sa taas. Hindi na ako yung kasama siguro yung train. Wait lang, angat na tayo dito. Hindi makita eh. Pink, yellow, green, red. So, Okay, gets ko na. Gets ko na, guys. Sabog lang tayo sa moment na yun. Okay, sabog tayo sa moment na yun. Oh, green. Green, Ayun, sabi ko na nga, sabog ako sa moment na yun. Sabog lang. Okay, so, eto na tayo. Ano yun? So, ito yung kailangan ko. Okay. So, start muna natin yung DVD before we proceed. Okay. Sabog ako nun So, eto. Eto yung kailangan natin Nakita ko, natandaan ko ba ito Okay. Kaya, pwede ko na ba kunin to? Hindi pa. Yo. So, this little thing can cause injuries. Ayos Okay. Open. Ayan na. Eto na tayo, guys. Oh, yeah. Haha. Eto na, guys. Mamimit ko na yung kumag. Sorry guys, daming notification dahil nga di kasi ako Yan na. Yup, at ayan na nga yung ang kumag. At yeah, ang kumag. What's up? So, ano nang gagawin? Ano nangyari? Oh! Hindi naman susi kanina. Ayos Maangas ka. Joke. So, proceed na tayo, guys. And yeah. So, anong gagawin natin dito? Okay, nalala Oh, eto. Oh. Let me grab this. Yeah. At mawawala siguro si kumag na yan. Yep, nawala na nga siya, hayop. Malala talaga. Nawala si kumag. Ang agnas. Yeah. So, proceed na tayo. Wait, what? Ano, pati naman ikaw, nagulat ka pa. Tapos maghabulan kami, no? Sige, subukan mo lang. Subukan mo lang akong habulin. I will show you talaga kung sino ako. Sorry, ang dilim ng games gaya. Ang dilim ng game gaya. Ang dilim. Ano to? Oh, so maghahanap tayo. Oh, ayun. Get that. Ano pa? Saan yung iba? Dito yung iba. Ayun yung last yung wala red. Dilim ng game. Di ko makita. Kakainis. Saan na yun? Saan? Yeah. Let's go. I'm gonna do this. Oh, may pintuan pala, sorry. Oh, grab that. Kinakabahan na ako.
Rich, where are they keeping the Huggy boxes?
I don't know. I couldn't tell you. Remember when maintenance left it a sweep of this place?
Oh, I don't care. Shut the fuck.
Nobody in this stupid company knows what they're doing. Oh, I swear I haven't seen a single box in this place since they started flooding the storehouse with orphanage junk.
Right.
I guess it's a nice move, on brand, but it's hard to be happy about.
Oh.
Factoring's on our necks about it, because we can't find stupid hockey boxes.
Rich,
You're right. You're right. It's for the.
Haha.
I just wish there were less
Ang
boxes.
ingay nila. Hindi ko maintindihan.
Or a bit of all.
So, eto na tayo. Tapos,
A bit of all.
eto. Yeah. Ano na next? Open na ba? Oh, yeah, that's that. Okay. At ang dilim. Wait lang, ang dilim guys. Di ko makita. Yan ay, hide the brightness. Hide ko na lang brightness. Di ko makita eh. Dilim masyado. So, I am here na nga. Anong gagawin natin? Ano to? Oh. Okay, yun to yun. Ito pala yun. So, number 1 dito. So, I'm gonna do this. Then, push it dito. And we go this. Ano next? Ano next? Tayo na. Takakaba naman. Yung naglalag pa tayo guys. Nag-FPS delap tayo din sa larong to ah. Okay. Okay. Dito tayo. So, Kakagulat. Tas bigla siyang lumabas, no? Hey, I'm here now. So, ano gagawin? Power.
A few moments later.
So, okay, I'm back. So, proceed lang tayo, guys. Parang nag-ano yata yung game. Ewan. I don't know. Let me grab that. And can I do this? Can I do this? Yeah, I can do that. Come on, bro. The audio is so, lakas. So, we're gonna, ito ulit. We're gonna do this again. ayun yung toy. Papunta siya dito. And we will wait again sa laruan. Ewan guys, di ko na alam. Ano nga next na ito? Di ko na nga alam ano next na ito eh. Ano yun? Oh, eto na siya. Laki ng pakto din na to guys eh. Make a friend. Ito na siya. Agnes eh. Let me grab him. Let me grab this toy by using this in my hand. Can I grab that? Can I put here now? Yeah! Sabi ko na nga eh. Yeah, and then next, and let's go! Let's go! Oh, what the fuck? Shit, gago! Oh, what the fuck, bro? Gago! Gago! Whoa! Yo! 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 Shit! Yeah. Di ko expected yun. Not expected that game, bro. Ah, shit, Jesus Christ. I'm gonna focus, man. Yeah, let's run away na. Let's run away now, bro. Let's run away. This little Shima in here is cost my living. Shit. So I go here. So I shit. Oh, come on, run away. Run away. Run away. Run away, bro. Yeah. Oh shit, oh shit. Oh shit. Come on. Come on! Oh shit! Jesus Christ! Come on! Come on, man! Come on! Come on! Oh my god! Let me grab that. Oh shit! Oh! Jesus! Oh my god. Ah, damn it. Man. Yeah. This is freaking. Oh, the flower! The flower, guys! Oh my god. My heart is beating, man. Grabe. Nakihabulan ako sa kumag na yun. Agnes naman. So yeah, eto yung lugar. Grabe, ang laki. Ay, laki ng lugar, guys. Okay. Oh my God. Eto na naman tayo. Yeah, man, come on. Okay. Bro, wag naman sana ngayon. Oh! It's Papi! Hello, Papi! Si Papi yan, ah.
You opened my case.
Then? Oh, wow. Grabe, guys. My God, nakakakaba pala yung laro na to. Di ko alam, ngayon ko lang na ano. Nakalimutan ko pala, habulin pala ako sa part na yun. Grabe. So, yun na lang siguro for today's video, guys. At sana nag-enjoy kayo. At yeah, thank you sa panonood.